Other differences between state and federal courts are really in the practice. I think you'll find that a lot of attorneys would suggest federal courts have dates specified for certain actions. When you go in that day, you know exactly what's going to happen. Similarly, you might be the only issue or party addressed that day. So it's not like you arrive at 9 in the morning and you're not out of there until 3 p.m. because so much was piled up and there were so many other hearings that were being done. In fact, once again, it's the exact opposite. You show up at 9 and you're expected to begin at 9 a.m. with the intention of resolving your issue with priority and focus. So there are many different practice pointers as it comes to federal courts and state courts. I will tell you that people who practice law in both areas have the very best contrast. But if you're an individual charged in a federal crime, you will notice the difference in a federal courthouse as well. Not only in the way that things are presented, but also in the entry and the necessity to present identification, even when you enter the doors. That doesn't exist in state court. When you go into a courtroom, you'll notice there's one marshal who's set just to watch you the entire time. That's not the same in state courts. And so as you continue to progress through a case, whether it's in state court or federal court, there will continue to be things that are contrasted and are very, very different. Although similar, very different. And that affects how you decide who to hire to defend you in these cases. So don't mistake that all law is going to be applied the same. Although we're given a law license and told that a courtroom will give us the opportunity to exercise our craft, our practice, the reality is those with experience know the differences, and you need the one that has the most experience to make the difference you desire and you require in your case.